Hi, I'm Simon Martin from Technical Connection and here to talk to you today about relevant life insurance. During the next few minutes, I'm going to cover the four following areas. Number one, what it is. Number two, why you need to know about it. Number three, why your clients may need it. And number four, a basic overview of tax. So first of all, number one, what is it? Relevant life insurance is, to me, best described as a single person death in service policy, which can include a form of serious illness cover. Taken out and paid for by the company, it often falls into the category of business protection, but actually it's more akin to a death in service that's designed to protect the family of the individual being covered, typically the employee or more often the director. So the plan is paid for by the company, and the benefits are paid to the trust of which the family members are typically beneficiaries. So why do you need to know about it? Relevant life is widely accepted to be one of the most tax efficient ways of providing life cover for SME owners who are also employees of the business. So typically a controlling director of an SME, maybe a one-person business, and so on. So many SMEs, many owner directors have much less family protection than employees of large corporates, for example. So it's important to ensure that this area of protection is covered. It can be also for you a useful door opener, especially with business owners that have perhaps, as it stands, limited need, but this is a need you can go and talk to most SMEs about. It's very unlikely that there's not going to be a need here. Relevant life is also very effective for individuals who have lifetime allowance concerns, as the benefits paid out from the relevant life won't count towards the lifetime allowance. So it's going to be very useful for those people who have got lifetime allowance concerns and want to put in place some sort of death in service. So number three, why do your clients need it? Well, as I'm sure you know, the UK has a very significant protection shortfall, and the relevant life is a simple, effective and tax efficient way of ensuring the lives of directors and SME directors. And the protection shortfall is particularly exacerbated within that SME business owner community. Think of perhaps a client who has left a large corporate to set up on their own. What have they lost in terms of benefits in leaving that corporate? They probably lost a lot, one of which would undoubtedly be death in service. And the relevant life is a great way to replace that. In addition, creating long-term financial plans is something which you as a financial planner will be skilled at. But it's worth considering the impact on those plans if one of your clients were to pass away whilst working. So the relevant life is really there to mitigate that risk or that financial risk on their plan of an early death. So effectively it's a family protection policy that's created to be very, very tax efficient. So what about the tax? What's a basic overview of the taxation? The relevant life plan is very popular with effectively owner managing directors because of the tax efficiency. Generally, the policy is treated as an allowable expense for corporation tax. There's no benefit in kind for the employee. The death benefits can be paid free of inheritance tax due to the trust, and there's no lifetime allowance charge on death. So it's a really, really tax efficient way of providing a death in service to those qualifying individuals. So as I say, the tax makes it really, really attractive for very many business owners. Now, of course, there are a number of slightly complicated rules, which for time purposes we won't go into now. You have to be an employee. There's lots of other bits you can't be done for the purposes of tax avoidance. So there are additional rules you need to be aware of, all of which are outlined in the TechLink articles, which you can find around relevant life. But for many, many SME business owners, this is a really, really tax efficient way of providing death in service. So thanks for listening. Hope there's some useful information. And as ever, if you need any information, please do look at TechLink or get in touch with the team. We would always be very, very happy to help you. Thanks very much.